everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. The first gift which I have got is from a brand called Brian and Candy. The first time when I have received something from them. So I have not unboxed it yet, but outer packaging itself is making me so excited to open it out. But I just thought I should share with you guys first, and we all must unbox it together. And now let's just get started. The moment of truth is here, and this is the gift. This is how it looks like, and this is from the brand, as I told you, Brian and Candy, New York, and it is their bath and body essentials. This is in the variant strawberry, first of all, and this whole kit consists of moisturizing hand and body lotion enriched with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. Second product is bath and shower gel. Third is sugar body scrub enriched with argan oil and oatmeal extracts, and the fourth one is revitalizing body polish. That volume is of 100 grams, and this whole kit is worth rupees 1600. I think let's just dive into it and see what all things I have in this. Okay, so first thing is, when you open it, you will be getting this sort of card, which is like there is a coupon code in there which says BNC30 to avail 30% discount on your next purchase, which is great. And it says wish you a healthier, happier skin. So that's really nice. And also they have mentioned brief details about all the products which I have in this kit. You will be getting a loofah free with this kit. It also says Brian and Candy, New York. Cloth is made up of satin, which looks very luxurious to me. So when you open this up, wow, oh my god guys, you have to see this. It's like a plasticky sort of bathtub which is of silver color, and it looks really nice. You can even see yourself in this. It's just like a mirror. And these are all the products which I have received. This is the loofah, which is of very good quality. You can also hang this in your bathroom. And this is the best possible gift you can give to anyone, because it's a complete package. You are getting such a beautiful packaging like a bathtub, and you are getting all the stuff in here, and also a free loofah. So it makes a complete package to gift it to someone. So the first product is, guys, strawberry sugar body scrub enriched with argan oil and oatmeal extract. Oh my god, the smell is just like next level, guys. You can see it's so pretty, and it smells exactly like strawberries. The process to use this is like you have to take a little bit of it and you have to just scrub it into circular motions, and it is actually like sugar granules are there, just like a normal regular sugar, mixed with strawberry ingredient and also some argan oil and oatmeal extracts. So what this do is, this gives you a nice soft skin and also removes all the dead skin cells, which is good. And especially if you are suffering from ingrown hairs and you need a body scrub, I think this is a very good quality body scrub, because it is having actual, regular sugar. The next thing is, guys, their strawberry revitalizing body polish. Now let me show you guys. It smells heavenly, guys. It's having like very soft granules in it. Body scrubs is something which you can use on alternate day or twice or thrice a week, but body polish is something which you can use on everyday basis, and this is very helpful if you want to remove your dead skin cells, especially if you get ingrown hairs and you have very thick dark hair on your legs or on your hands. And it's a plastic tub, and it also says Brian and Candy on the top. Third product you will be getting in this kit is bath and shower gel. It's a very beautiful packaging itself. It's a transparent bottle where you can see how much product is left, and like this is a gel like consistency. Of course, it's a shower gel. So what I felt after using this is like it does not foam too much, because there are not a lot of chemicals used in these products, and it feels very cool to me. It's personally, when you apply it on your skin, it feels very cool and refreshing, and the smell is again very nice. And after you wash your hands or after you take bath using this shower gel, the smell will linger and remain on your body for good 2 to 3 hours, which is amazing. Like it is having some fragrance also to it, which stays on your body for a very long time. Last but not the least is, guys, this strawberry moisturizing hand and body lotion with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. Now guys, it's a good size, and the net volume you will be getting is 125 ml. The texture of this cream is not very thick and not very thin. It is perfect texture, and it absorbs into your skin very nicely. Very beautiful strawberry fragrance to it, which stays for very good time, and it does not makes your skin oily as well, but it definitely gives you a healthy and nice glow. Most of the people, including me, avoid using body lotions during summertime because it's already so sticky and humid, and this body lotion does not feel heavy at all. So I think I can use this at night now. I can definitely recommend you guys to try this kit for yourself, or you can gift it to your brother, your sister, your wife, your mother, anyone. Especially so many festivals are coming around, and you can gift this to anyone special, and they will definitely feel so special and very luxurious at the same time, because all the products here are just next level, guys. I think there are a lot of other kits available on their website as well. I will link all the details and website link in the description box. You can go and check it out. So guys, do let me know in the comment section below that how was my video and did you like this kit or not. So I shall see you in my next video, guys. Until next time we meet, this is me, Shweta, signing off. Bye bye.